In this particular video, we'll discuss how to demonstrate multi-level inheritance. So as you know, inheritance is a concept where one class acquires the properties of another class. Okay. In this particular program, we have three classes. One is ancestor, one is successor, and one is descendant. Okay. So here what we're doing is in class ancestor, we have defined some values known as grandfather. And this is a public access specifier. In this particular function, we have declared some value known as grandfather. We have put some statement here. Next, again in class successor, public ancestor, which means class ancestor properties have been inherited by class successor. So whatever properties here that have been inherited by successor. Again, as you can see, this is public. The function white parent has some statements stored as father. Again, class descendant, successor, the value of all successors and ancestors, both their values have been inherited by class descendant. Okay, so again descendant here, it is public, anyone can access it. Void child. In this particular function, void means nothing. So in this particular function, we have a statement called son. So all of in these classes we have defined these values. So now coming to the main part, using descendant because both ancestors and successors properties have been inherited by descendant. So we'll use descendant here, and we'll use an object to get the values defined in grandparent, parent, and child. In here, in grandparent, in parent, and in child. So once we get those values, and I'll just show you here. So once our values here, as you can see, father, grandfather, son. Why? Because since both ancestors and successors values have been inherited by descendant, whatever values stored within them would be grandfather, father, and son. All three values have been displayed here. So these variables and properties have been inherited by descendant class, and they have been displayed here. So this is the concept of multi-level inheritance.